In the previous lesson, we edited some images. We are still in editing. We will still edit some images before we can start the project. In the previous lesson, I show you a way of editing images with Snip and Sketch tool, a free tool in Microsoft Windows. And today I'm going to show you another tool, but this one is online. So let's go and let me show you that one. This is called LunaPec. This website, you can use it to edit, you can use it to do a lot, but because of some features are not available in the first tool we use, that is why we are using this. You will see. Let me show you. Now we want to crop this image. You choose your image. The image is uploading. This is the image we are going to use. If you use the same approach we used for the first one, Snip and Sketch, for instance, you crop this one, the images are attached to each other. So if you crop this one, you will still have some part of other images, so you have to erase this one. So that is why this tool is better in this. Okay, let's go. Let me choose it. Where is the image? Is it open? Okay, as you can see, the images are here. So if I have to erase some part of some object before I can choose the right one. So let's go. Where is the eraser? You have eraser here. Okay, let me erase the part of this one. Okay, now I think it is okay. Now let's go and crop this one. Choose simple crop tool. Okay, come here, resize. Oh, I think still I forgot to save it. Okay, let's go back and do the erasing again. So if you finish, you have to save it, otherwise it won't reflect. Okay, you finish, apply the changes. Okay, you can see now go to edit, choose simple crop tool. Okay, as you can see now, it's okay now. So crop image here. So if you're happy with it, you go to save and choose gift for animation. Okay, this is it. You can see it here. So let's copy it to the project folder. So this is it. So see you in the next lesson.